Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. Yeah, MATIC continues to be in this upward sloping price channel. We've got 3 touch points there, 4 actually, of this trend line. At the moment, we are obviously observing if 5 waves to the upside can form. We would call that a diagonal. The bearish count is of course also possible. You need to be aware of that. That's the white wave count. That would get in control below 55.8 cents. It would involve a break out of the parallel trend channel, as well as a break below the golden ratio at 55.8 cents, which is critical support for the yellow wave count, which is the bullish one. So if anybody's trading this to the upside, I mean, I can only tell you what is reliable from an Elliott wave point of view. First problem is it's not reliable because we're dealing with a diagonal, but we have to give in a diagonal the trend more space and the setbacks, and key support here is at 55.8 cents, which means below that level it is likely that this white wave count is playing out. We only have 3 waves up so far. We need 5 for a clear indication that the trend has changed. Question is, in the bullish count, has the wave 4 already started? That's not necessarily the case. I would like to see a clearer wave 4 to have a better view of that. Okay, until then, let's say we extend now higher, which is possible as long as we're holding 55.8 cents. If we extend now higher, I would assume this is all still part of the third wave. Then the next move up would likely touch 69.6 cents and then 72. All of that can all still happen here in a third wave. And then we would just need to lift the support box up, and it would become relevant as soon as the wave 4 pullback is really starting. After the wave 4, we have another high to do in wave 5. There is going to be critical resistance at 78 cents, as well as here at the 89 cent level, which is the wave 4 high from July, basically the July high. All right. So I think the parameters are all clear. The long-term support area here was reached, or medium-term, that was reached. The price reacted to it several times. We could be back in an uptrend. That's what we tentatively assume now in the crypto market until support levels start to break. The reason is that we are obviously breaking out with Bitcoin. Several altcoins are breaking out. It's not crystal clear yet, okay, but that's why we have risk management, okay? If things were always clear, we wouldn't need any risk management in our trading. Also from an analysis point of view, we've got the support areas. When they break, the trend changes. That's one of the advantages of Elliott wave, that yes, the application is to a degree subjective, but the fib levels are always objective. So they tell us very clearly when we have to change the trend and make the, let's say, the alternative count the primary. But yeah, you see the next key levels to the upside here highlighted. There is going to be some structural resistance here as well around the 1.618 extension level at 69 cents. That could also provide some additional resistance should we get there. But for now, I mean, we see a little bit of upside here today. Here, this is not, at least not impulsive. So I wouldn't rule out that wave 3 indeed topped, and this is now all part of this fourth wave. A, B with the C wave down to come. We will see. As long as we are above 55.8 cents, however, we can focus on higher prices here. Just need to be aware that this is still a very, very fragile trend that can easily still break. You know, it's not even a completed diagonal, so it's quite messy. That's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.